Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making this beautiful giant flower that you can use to decorate any outfit. This is a flower that will take your outfits or your crafts from 0 to 100. It is very easy to make, so if you're interested to learn how to make this, then stick around. I have cut out a circular base and some strips of fabric that I'll be using to make ruffles on the circular base. Now the measurements of this circle base is 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. I used a circular object to trace out the shape. The measurement for these strips of fabric is 2.5 inches. The bigger ones are 2.5 inches, while I have this smaller one here at 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'll be using the smaller one to create a rose at the center. So now we'll begin creating the ruffle on this circle. Okay, you can go ahead and mark if you're not sure that you will get them on the right spot, but I'll just go ahead to just be stitching and pleating on the go. So just choose any angle on the circle and place the fabric for the ruffle on it. You can give about ½ inch away from the beginning of the circle. So once you place the fabric, all you need to do is to pleat and stitch. You pleat and stitch. Okay, keep running the stitch around the circular base. Okay, so you need to be moving the circle base to align to the machine needle. All right, so this is not difficult at all. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm sure you get it. This is very easy. This is one of the easiest flower to make. All right, so if this will kind of inconvenience you to run and stitch, then you can actually create the ruffle separately. Then you go ahead and stitch it on the circular base. So this is how I will continue stitching and pleating and stitching until I cover up the entire base. Okay, so if you have watched to this point and you have not given this video a thumb up, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Please help my channel to grow. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so this is how you will continue stitching, pleating and stitching until you have covered the entire space on the circle. After you have filled the entire space, you can go ahead and cut out the excess, that is if there is any cut out threads, and then we are going to be creating a mini rose with the smallest 1.5 inches size of fabric that I have. Okay, so get a needle and thread. Now curve the edge of this fabric and start rolling it in this manner. Okay, you roll and then you use needle and thread to tack on the bottom part. Okay, tack it to hold it in place so it doesn't loosen. So keep rolling and tacking. The idea is to create a rose flower that we'll use to cover up the the center of the flower. Okay, this is the one that will stay on the very center of the flower. So when you're done rolling, you curve the end as well and then tuck it under the rose and then tack to stitch it in place. Then when you're done, you place it in between the flower and then go ahead to tack it together like I am doing right here. Please ensure that you're not stitching on top of the flower. Let your stitch be hidden, and after you're sure that you have secured the flower to the base, you can go ahead and knot it at the back and then cut out the thread, and then the flower is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. Now go ahead and use the flower to decorate anything you want. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.